Ever wondered why diabetic neuropathy, a nerve damage condition, is so prevalent among people with diabetes? Does the mystery of how high blood glucose levels lead to this condition intrigue you? Well, today you are in for a treat as we unravel this mystery together. Let's start at the beginning. The human body is a marvel of engineering, a network of systems working tirelessly to keep us going. One of these systems is our nervous system, a vast network of nerves that transmit signals between different parts of the body. Now, imagine what would happen if this system faced a persistent threat, such as consistently high blood glucose levels. Here's what happens. When blood glucose levels remain high for an extended period, they interfere with the ability of nerves to transmit signals. They also have a damaging effect on the walls of the tiny blood vessels, called capillaries, that supply the nerves with oxygen and nutrients. The result? Nerve damage, or as we know it, diabetic neuropathy. To understand this better, picture a lush, green lawn, vibrant and full of life. Now, imagine if it didn't rain for a long time. The grass would start to wither away, right? This is similar to what happens in our bodies. The nerves are like the grass, and the blood glucose is like the rain. Too much of it, and the nerves start to wither away. But it's not just about the nerves. High blood glucose also affects the small blood vessels that supply the nerves with oxygen and nutrients. Just like a plant needs water and sunlight to grow, our nerves need oxygen and nutrients to function properly. When these blood vessels are damaged, the nerve function deteriorates, leading to the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. Now, let's recap. High blood glucose levels interfere with nerve signal transmission and damage the small blood vessels that nourish the nerves. This double whammy ultimately leads to diabetic neuropathy. It's a bit like a garden that's been flooded and then hit by a drought. Neither extreme is good for the plants, just as neither extreme is good for our nerves. In conclusion, the link between high blood glucose levels and diabetic neuropathy is clear. It's a complex process involving the interference with nerve signal transmission and damage to the small blood vessels supplying the nerves. But remember, this is just one piece of the puzzle. Diabetes is a complex condition with many facets. Each piece of knowledge we gain brings us a step closer to understanding and managing this condition. So, the next time you hear about diabetic neuropathy, you'll understand exactly how high blood glucose levels play a role in its onset. Knowledge, after all, is the first step towards action.